Jetty is a uniquely designed belt robot. It cleans and inspects air conditioning ducts, kitchen and industrial air vents, air conditioning vents, or any spaces where cleaning is strenuous or impossible without dismantling. The latest generation's design takes advantage of the experience gained from earlier model. It stands out by virtue of its improved utility, greater resistance, higher efficiency, and easier handling. The robot has been developed in cooperation with the Faculty of Electrical Engineering at the Czech Technical University in Prague, using the most up-to-date, unique technology. It is protected by patent. The robot's robust design allows the use of highly efficient nozzles. Thanks to its six-leg trick, the robot can prop itself against the duct and ensure the necessary stability during nozzle rotation. Its design also allows the robot's body to be centered in the duct to ensure maximum nozzle efficiency. The rotation velocity of the nozzle and the robot's movement speed can be adjusted according to the extent of contamination. The cleaning medium is sprayed from the nozzle at -78 degrees Celsius. It quickly supercools the surface and causes so-called thermal shock. As a result, the contamination is released due to the differences in the tension between the contamination and the underlying surface. The use of the dry ice blasting method means that even greasy impurities can be eliminated from the duct ecologically and without adding solvent. Jetty is able to pass through and clean circular, rectangular, and square-shaped ducts. Due to its design, it can be used in horizontal ducting, but it also passes easily through vertical or sloping ducts. The robot can also pass through S-shaped ducting and various turns. The operator controls the robot from a safe location using a control panel. The duct ahead of the robot is scanned by a camera, and the operator can observe it on the monitor. The operator can easily position the robot as needed by manipulating the control panel. Moreover, the operator can directly monitor the duct cleaning process and see the results immediately. The control panel enables video recordings to be saved, so the situation before and after cleaning can be assessed and customers can see the differences for themselves. The dry ice blasting method is gentle on the clean surface and causes no damage. Another advantage lies in the fact that no dry ice residue remains, for example solid carbon dioxide, because it's almost immediately transformed into a gas which is emitted through the exhaust duct. When collapsed, the robot is compact and demands very little space. It's easy to move using stacked transport cases with a wheelbase that permits easy handling. The robot has been designed as a modular, easy-to-assemble system. Once the switchboard, the control panel, and other necessary components have been unpacked, the entire system can be assembled quickly and easily. The robot can be inserted into the ducting using several methods, using a platform, scaffolding, or a footbridge. It is inserted using an inspection window or a duct branch after removing the cap. The Jetty is a unique robot with an excellent return on investment and significant professional technological insight. We can help you get the drop on your competitors and increase your earnings.